Alright guys, so I got these two stands back from the Selenite guy just because when he takes them to shows, they are like, I guess he has like a plastic table and they don't like necessarily stand on the table that he has, but they stand, like, obviously if the table's flat it's fine, but his table is not flat for some reason, so okay, so I kind of finished one of them, and the other one's kind of done, I guess. So this one's done, and it just needs to be painted. And then this one is welded, and I'm going to come back tomorrow and finish it. I just